The Laser 8288 injector puller set has been designed to pull out the Ford EcoBlue diesel injector in one piece, without damage, so that the injector can be used again. First, remove the cam cover retaining screws adjacent to the injector. Before use, always lubricate the force screw. Now assemble the puller components around the injector. Tighten the clamp screws to 60 Newton meters. Assemble the puller top plate and support legs as shown. Then place over the injector and force screw. Hold the force screw steady while you gradually tighten the main force screw nut. If the injector is particularly stiff, then use a socket and torque wrench set to a maximum of 250 Newton meters. Any further torque will damage the injector. The 8288 injector extractor set is available now from your Laser Tools stockist.